how's it going, guys? We're at IWA 2024. My name's John. I'm with ARC and MECHLABS right here, and we got two products for you to show you. So first off, this is our main gun, the ARC-1, full mechanical HPA system, no batteries, no hoses, no wires, nothing. Just it runs on HPA only. We have an on-off ASA right here, so it's easy to take your bottle off and charge the system. Oh, did I run out of air? Ooh, I did run out of air. We actually have a training mode on this, so you can sit home and just trigger it. It only actuates the valve right here, which is right over. I know, now I have to come over here. So this is the breakdown. So the main thing, the valve right here, this is the heart. This is basically the mechanical solenoid for the gun, and right here, and it just fits in right here. We have a lot of other features, like our trigger system. Our faces are magnetic; they just pull off, and we'll have different trigger shoes coming soon. Pop that back on. Efficiency on this gun. We've tested it, and you're doing with a 45 stubby tank, we're getting around 3,000 shots. Also, it's crazy, you can either use a 13 CI tank, we're getting right around 1,000 shots with a 13 CI tank. The gun itself weighs 2 pounds 4 ounces, and if you want a super light setup, you can use a 13 CI tank, and you'll get at right a little bit over 3 pounds for the whole gun. All right, let's move on. I know, it's like a lot. Come on over here, let's take a look. So we also have a drop-in M4 version 2 drop-in unit, which uses the same technology from the ARC, but for the drop-in engine. It has 2 modes on this guy. You got semi-auto, and then you have full auto. Same thing, all air, no batteries. The full auto is adjustable from 14 BPS to 34 BPS. It's an internal adjustment up here. Also, with this package, you can do the tank out the back. We have an on-off ASA right here to degas the tank to get it off easier. Right here, this is our velocity regulator, so you can do your velocity. The regulator is built in. We also, with this kit, you'll have a line adapter for your air lines. This thing's going to retail for $500. We have another version where we don't have no regulator, it's just a line, and that's $400. Should have exactly the same efficiency as the ARC, so with a 45 tank, you're getting around 3,000 shots.